Okay. So Lucky, first of all, how you felt about the interview? What you felt? What went
Uh,
right? What went wrong from your side?
so I was quite nervous, like in the starting, and
Okay.
these were all the different kinds of questions I have never faced before. All thanks to
Okay.
you. And
Okay.
uh, there were questions from all zoners, like from a sweater to the values representative. I have never
Exactly.
experienced such questions, and this experience was too good for me. I think I will be able to clear the interview.
Okay. So Lucky, see, I'll tell you a few points where I thought you are lagging a bit. Okay. Like, see, I'll tell you first the good things what were there in the interview. Okay. As this was the first interview of yours, okay, so your confidence was good. Okay, it was not very bad, it was not very good, but not very bad also. Okay, you were able to answer each and every question. Okay, and you were trying to justify your point. That is the first and foremost important point, that you have positive point in you. Okay, because the thing is, you were not lagging in any question. You were fluently speaking, you were trying to think over and over that what should be better answer of this. Okay, that is the first point. Okay, second thing, in intro I asked you about your education. You should mention yourself in the intro part, right? That I have done this in the education, right? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
In the intro you'll add yourself. Okay, this is my education qualification. Okay, and make it more crispy. Try to add, like, you added your achievement. You told you're a cricket player and you have played nationals, right?
Yes, so professional, sir, around state.
Professional, yes, professional, you have played professional, right? So you mentioned your skill. Try to mention one or two more skills which you have done, which you have achieved throughout your career. Okay. Second thing, what I observed is I asked a question about a cycle chain. Okay. In that case, I observed that what were you trying to do? You were trying to, like, you were trying to tell me that don't buy grip. You are here to buy a grip, but forget about grip. I am here to sell only cycle chain, so I'll sell only cycle chain. Forget about grip. So do not make this kind of bond with the customer. Okay. Do not tell them that you are here to buy a grip. Do not buy the grip. Just come to me and have a cycle chain. Okay. You are doing your job. You are trying to convince me to buy a cycle chain. Okay. But do not do that. That leave the grip. You can say that you can buy the grip. Okay, you are here to buy a grip. First of all, I'll show you some grips also, but we have some offer with this grip. Okay, like suppose if customer is mentioning I don't have cycle with me, right? So in that case, what you can do best is you can tell the customer, this is the grip which you are looking forward, but with this grip we have a free offer right now of cycle chain. Okay, so you can add this as a free complimentary benefit to customer. So customer will think that okay, I am getting this thing free, and no one leaves the thing which he gets free. You also know that, right?
Yes, sir.
So no one will ever leave that thing which he'll get free. Okay, I never told you to add money for cycle chain. Okay, I only mentioned sell me a cycle chain. Okay, so you can add this thing that I am giving you complimentary, the best option, the best way out. You'll not have to convince me more and more to buy a cycle chain. You can
Yes,
just
sir.
add that we are having this unique cycle chain which you can use in motorcycle also. So take the grip, have it with complimentary benefits. We are giving you free of cost as of now. Take this,
Yes,
and after your experience, just give your feedback about this particular cycle chain. That's all. One thing. Second thing which I observed, the last question which I asked you about Vedantu and Byju's. In that question, I mentioned clearly that I'll respond to you in 2-3 months, right? So what you told to me, that okay, no problem, right? But tell me one thing. I'll ask you a simple question to you. Have you ever received a call from bank regarding a credit card or debit card?
no, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Have
Yes, I have.
You might have received, everyone receives a call for debit card, credit card. Okay, so they
Yes,
ask
sir.
you to buy a credit card. Okay, and what we say, we'll think and we'll inform you, right? We say the same thing, right? But tell me one thing honestly, am I audible to
Sir,
you?
yes, yes, sir. You are now. The half part of question was just cut. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll repeat the question.
Yes,
So,
sir.
like, the thing was that we compared two things, Vedantu and Byju's. Okay, you were going good while comparing Vedantu and Byju's. You mentioned features, but one thing was that I mentioned clearly that I'll respond to you in 2-3 months, right? But what you told me that, okay, no problem, I'll get back to you in 2-3 months. So I was just mentioning that whenever we get a call for debit card, credit card from banks that take the credit card from me, register now, okay, we get these calls, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
tell me one thing, whenever we get this call, what we say to them, to representative, we tell them that we'll get back to you. Give me some time, I'll give you a call if I need. Do you ever give a call to that particular representative? Have you
No,
ever
sir.
given a call to him again to buy a
No,
credit
sir.
card? If you'll need a credit card, you'll go to bank and you'll buy it. But you'll never call that particular representative who called you for a credit card. Okay, this is a human phenomena. Normal human beings forget things. That okay, we had a conversation with that particular guy. Now I have to find the numbers. I have to scroll down. I have to check the numbers. That when he called me, with which number he called me. So what all I have to do? So I'll go to bank and I'll buy a credit card directly. Okay. So never ever leave the customer. If customer is saying to you that I'll respond in 2-3 months, so tell the customer in 2-3 months it will be late for your child. I don't have any issue. But think of it that if 2-3 months you are delaying 2-3 months, right? Education is getting hampered in 2-3 months. In 2-3 months, he can cover many of the things from the application, from studies, right? So you can mention those things that you can
Yes,
cover
sir.
all these things. It is your loss, sir. It's not my loss. I have multiple clients whom I can sell. But the thing is, I am thinking of your benefit, that you will have a loss ultimately. Because if you delay 2-3 months, definitely your child's studies will be hampered. He's studying from somewhere right now, he will be lacking because we have limited time for exam, for a class preparation. So definitely he'll lack in the studies. So you have to mention these points. Okay. Customer will say to you that things are not up to the mark. What are you saying? I'll take time. I want more time. He'll mention different things, but you have to stick to your point. Do not give customer time. If you are giving time to customer, definitely he'll never ever call back you. That is my guarantee. I have worked in Byju's, so I have experience. So I can say you from my experience, that a customer once goes, he goes forever. He'll never ever come back. Okay. So do not give a chance to customer to go. Try to fetch the customer by saying anything. Try to convince him. And you are letting the customer to go easily. That take your time 2-3 months. So that is definitely a negative point. If you say in front of Byju's interviewer, if you say in front of the recruiter, definitely he'll feel a negative part for your side. He'll think, okay, he is not concerned for selling my application. So why will I hire him? He should be concerned for this thing, right? What my point? What I'm trying to
Yes,
say.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are giving answers correctly, but be more precise. What I am asking, try to listen what I am asking and try to stick to my point only. Do not add multiple points. Adding multiple points will not help you. You have to stick to the particular point which I have asked you during the interview. And that particular, you have to think that how many points I can add that is more appropriate. Okay. I watched the interview, so I had this experience that some of the points which you were saying, they were out of the line. They were not required actually. You might have made your answer short and you might have given a precise answer to it. We have an app lock feature. You told we have system design. Don't tell things like that. Tell we have an app lock feature in which you can lock all the applications and you can only check the study application. Okay. You can mention point of visualization. You can visualize things in real manner, in 3D format. You can mention things like this. Okay. You can mention our parent connect application. We have an application in which parents can also view what child is doing all these days. Okay. So definitely you can mention all these points in your session. That will definitely help you. Right? And tell me, like I mentioned you that he is having a vision problem. He cannot see. So tell them, we have short videos, sir. We do not have long length videos. He might be seeing a mobile phone in a day. So we have short videos, sir. We can definitely, he can definitely see the videos and he'll be comfortable with that. He'll not find it lengthy or boring. That will definitely going to help him. Okay. So try to mention more points in customer's benefit. Okay. And tell them that see, we have a precise learning policy. So we give specific time to child to learn things and then revise things. We make him learn, then revise. then learn, then revise, then learn, then revise. So we have this thing in the application that he has to revise multiple times things so that he can answer question. We have a policy of adaptive learning in which child can have questions according to his knowledge. Whatever he is performing per day, he can enhance his skills day by day. So you can add these points. These are very valuable points in Byju's. If you are adding this point in the interview, definitely interviewer will feel that you know about Byju's. You have basic concept of Byju's. So definitely you will do well. Whenever if I am hiring you, then definitely I get benefits from you from business point of view. Okay. So these all things, these are very crucial things. And you have to mention whenever he's asking something about Byju's application, usage, how do we use, my child is having this particular issue, that issue, then mention all these points. Whenever he's mentioning issue, try to give him the positive points of Byju's, that we have these positive things in Byju's. So try to mention positive sides. Got it? Got my point?
Yes,
Whatever
yes,
I told today, just think of it once,
Yes,
okay? And go through application
Yes,
once, okay? Check the things what are in the application, okay? And then definitely you'll get to know that what all I am saying right now,
Yes.
that is actually the feature of Byju's, okay? So you have to mention
Yes,
this
sir.
whenever you're giving an interview. Definitely you have to mention all these things, okay? So for feedback, we are done. I think I've given you sufficient feedback regarding this, okay? So do you have some question? Do you want to discuss with me something?
Sir, was my communication English was bad or good, or was it average? I was lagging somewhere.
I'll tell you about that. So we'll have a separate chat for it, okay? So Vikas, we can end this particular session once, okay? Send him a new link and things which I want to discuss with him.